Got an MSIX file to install, but Windows is giving you trouble? This is the modern Windows application package format, replacing MSI and AppxManifest. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through installing and managing these Windows app package files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single MSIX file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. Users encounter MSIX files when downloading modern Windows applications. This package format is used to install software, providing a reliable and secure deployment experience. It contains all the app's assets, code, and manifest information needed for a clean installation and uninstallation process on Windows 10 and later. An MSIX file is a zip-based package containing the application payload, a manifest file, AppxManifest.xml, and other assets. Microsoft designed it to containerize applications, ensuring system integrity by preventing DLL hell and enabling clean removal, a significant improvement over older MSI installers. The developer of Windows App Installer, Microsoft Corporation, created the original specifications for MSIX. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows cannot decode the logic inside, so proper inspection needs approved analysis tools. We'll begin by checking potential openers. Right-click the MSIX file and click Open With. If Windows App Installer is present, use that first. If it's missing, select another program. A quick test will reveal the right app. If your MSIX file will not open, do not worry. We're dealing with a highly specific MSIX file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, installing via App Installer. Double-click the MSIX file to launch Windows App Installer, which displays package details and an Install button. Click Install to deploy the application. App Installer is built into Windows 10 1809 and later providing native MSIX installation without requiring developer mode or PowerShell commands. Next, using PowerShell, open PowerShell as administrator and run add appex package, path, cpath to app.msix to install programmatically. This approach is useful for scripted deployments or troubleshooting installation issues. Use get appex package to list installed packages and remove appex package to uninstall when needed for application management. Finally, trusting the certificate. MSIX packages require a trusted code signing certificate. If installation fails due to certificate issues, import the publisher certificate to the Trusted People or Trusted Root Certification Authority store using certmgr.msc. Be cautious about trusting certificates. Only install certificates from publishers you trust completely. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.